The best car subwoofers deliver deep, powerful bass, enhance overall sound quality, and create a richer, more immersive driving audio experience. My today's video is about top 5 best car subwoofers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Scar Audio DDX10D 410-inch 1500 watt max power. This 10-inch competition-grade car subwoofer is engineered for enthusiasts who demand powerful, accurate bass without sacrificing durability. Delivering up to 1,500 watts peak power and 1,000 watts RMS, it provides the consistent performance needed for high-output audio systems. The massive double-stack magnet and 2.5-inch high-temperature copper voice coil ensure efficient power handling while maintaining reliability during extended listening sessions. Its competition-grade paper cone, reinforced with a stitched high-roll foam surround, produces deep, punchy bass with excellent cone control and long-lasting durability. The advanced airflow cooling system helps reduce heat buildup, allowing the subwoofer to perform at high volumes with minimal distortion. With a frequency response of 28 Hz to 300 Hz, it reproduces everything from thunderous low-end notes to tight mid-bass frequencies, while the 36.2 Hz resonance enhances impactful bass performance. Whether you're building a daily driver or a competition-level sound system, this dual 4-ohm subwoofer delivers impressive output, clean bass, and dependable performance for an immersive in-car audio experience. Now our second product is Dia 2026 upgraded 1600W car subwoofers. This 10-inch ultra-thin powered subwoofer is an excellent choice for drivers who want powerful bass without sacrificing interior space. Its slim underseat design installs discreetly beneath most car or truck seats, preserving cabin room while delivering impressive low-frequency performance. Powered by a built-in 1600W peak Class D amplifier and an upgraded audio chip, it produces deep, punchy bass with remarkable clarity and minimal distortion without requiring an external amplifier. The large magnet, durable metal diaphragm, and 50mm voice coil work together to provide tight, responsive sound across a wide range of music genres. Customization is easy thanks to the included bass control knob, adjustable low-pass filter, 50 to 150 Hz, gain control, and bass boost, allowing you to fine-tune your listening experience. Color-changing RGB LED lighting adds a stylish touch with a convenient physical on-off switch. Intelligent cooling and built-in protection against overheating, overload, and short circuits ensure dependable, long-lasting performance, making this subwoofer a smart upgrade for any vehicle audio system. Our third product is Seventure 10-inch upgrade 800W car subwoofer. The Seventure 10-inch ultra-slim powered subwoofer is an excellent solution for drivers seeking powerful bass in a compact, space-saving design. Its slim underseat enclosure is built from durable cast aluminum, providing outstanding heat dissipation for reliable long-term performance. With a built-in amplifier delivering 800 watts peak power and 220 watts RMS, it produces deep, clean bass that enhances every music genre without requiring additional equipment. The included wired remote bass control, adjustable gain, crossover, 50 to 150 Hz, and bass boost, 0 to 12 dB, make it easy to customize your sound. Supporting both RCA low-level and high-level inputs, it integrates seamlessly with factory or aftermarket audio systems. Blue LED ambient lighting adds a modern, eye-catching appearance whenever the vehicle starts, while comprehensive thermal, overload, and short-circuit protection ensures safe operation. Low distortion, an excellent signal-to-noise ratio, and responsive frequency performance deliver impressive audio clarity. Backed by a 12-month replacement promise and 2 years of free repair service, it offers excellent value and dependable support. Now number 4, Zenkel's 2025 upgraded 10-inch 1200W car subwoofer. The Zenkel's 2025 upgraded 9.5-inch powered subwoofer is an excellent choice for drivers who want strong bass without sacrificing cabin space. Its ultra-slim underseat design fits neatly beneath most car or truck seats, making installation convenient while enhancing your vehicle's audio performance. The built-in amplifier delivers 1,200 watts peak power and 220 watts RMS, producing deep, controlled bass with low distortion and a signal-to-noise ratio exceeding 90 dB for clean, immersive sound. The cast aluminum enclosure offers superior heat dissipation, helping maintain reliable performance during extended listening sessions. A wired remote with adjustable gain, crossover, and bass boost allows quick sound customization without changing the head unit volume. Compatible with both high and low-level inputs, it integrates easily with factory and aftermarket stereos, while automatic turn-on technology simplifies operation. App-controlled LED lighting adds a modern visual touch, and built-in thermal, overload, and short-circuit protection enhances durability. Combined with responsive customer support, this subwoofer delivers excellent value for everyday driving and music enthusiasts alike. And our last choice is Louvimel 1200W 10-inch car subwoofer. This upgraded ultra-slim powered subwoofer delivers an impressive combination of performance, style, and practicality for drivers seeking premium bass in a compact package. With 1200 watts peak power and 220 watts RMS, it produces deep, punchy low frequencies that significantly enhance your in-car listening experience. Measuring only 3.54 inches thick, it fits conveniently under most car or truck seats while preserving valuable cabin space. The aerospace-grade cast aluminum enclosure provides exceptional heat dissipation, ensuring reliable performance during long drives and high-volume playback. Its distinctive aluminum alloy grille and 360 degrees LED halo create a modern, eye-catching appearance that complements any vehicle interior. The included wireless RF remote allows convenient adjustment of gain, crossover, and bass boost without touching the head unit. Supporting both high and low-level inputs with automatic turn-on technology, it integrates easily with factory and aftermarket audio systems. Low distortion, strong signal-to-noise performance, and comprehensive protection circuits make this subwoofer a dependable, feature-rich upgrade backed by responsive customer support. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.